Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to play Clash Royale. While Clash Royale is primarily a mobile game, you can absolutely enjoy it on your computer. Since there isn't a direct website version, the key is to use an Android emulator. This software creates a virtual mobile environment right on your desktop, allowing you to run mobile apps seamlessly. It's a straightforward process to get started. Using an emulator offers several advantages for Clash Royale players. You'll get a much larger display, which can enhance your gameplay experience, and you can utilize your keyboard and mouse for more precise control. Emulators provide a stable and reliable platform to run your favorite mobile games on a desktop. There are many great options available, such as BlueStacks, Nox Player, and LD Player, all offering similar functionality. Getting your emulator ready is quite simple. First, download and install the Android emulator software of your choice onto your computer. Once installed, follow the on-screen instructions to complete the initial setup, which typically involves logging in with your Google account. After that, open the Google Play Store within the emulator, search for Clash Royale, and install it just as you would on a phone. You'll be ready to battle in minutes. Once Clash Royale is installed, simply launch it from the emulator's home screen and dive into the action. You can often adjust the emulator's settings to optimize performance and graphics, ensuring a smooth and enjoyable gaming experience. Experiment with different keybinds for your keyboard and mouse to find what works best for your playstyle. Also, if you're looking to freshen up your ride, check the description for a link to Little Trees, Black Ice, and other great deals. Happy clashing!
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.